Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. Today our topic is addition, and today we will deal page number 65 and 67. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do addition, two-digit numbers, solve addition word problems. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to do page number 65. Question number 3. Add the following. One has been done for you. In this, we add 21 into 36. First we add ones as always. So let's add. 6 plus 1 equals to 7 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the answer is 57. Let's do part B, in which we have to add 14 into 53. So let's add. Start with ones. When 4 adds into 3, what number comes? Yes, 7. Let's move on to the tens column. When 1 adds into 5, the number comes 6. So the answer is 67. Let's do part C, in which we have to add 37 into 41. Start with ones. When 7 adds into 1, the number comes 8. Now add tens. When 3 adds into 4, the number comes 7. So the answer is 78. The next one is add 50 into 49. Start with ones. When 0 adds into 9, what number comes? Do you know? Then tell me what number comes when 0 adds into 9? Yes, the number comes 9. Now add tens. When 5 adds into 4, then what number comes? Yes, 9. That means the answer is 99. In next part, we have to add 14 into 82. Let's add. When 4 adds into 2, the number comes 6. Now add tens. When 1 adds into 8, the number comes 9. So the answer is 96. The next is add 61 into 18. Let's add. Now you tell me, when 1 adds into 8, then what number comes? Yes, very good. The number comes 9. Now add tens. When 6 adds into 1, then what number comes? Yes, 7. That means the answer is 79. Now I'm going to do page number 67, word problems, addition. The question is, write the sum in the box and find the answer. The first one is Tahir has 14 coins. Jamal has 23 coins. How many coins are there altogether? Let's add to find that how many coins do Tahir and Jamal have. Tahir has 14 whereas Jamal has 23 coins. Let's add how many coins altogether. 4 plus 3 equals to 7 and 1 plus 2 equals to 3. The answer is 37. That means there are 37 coins altogether. The next one is Rahman played 15 cricket matches in 1 year and 12 matches in the second year. How many matches did he play in the 2 years? Let's add to find. He played 15 matches in 1 year and 12 matches in second year. Now add them to find total number of matches. 5 plus 2 equals to 7 and 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The answer is 27. That means Rahman played 27 matches in 2 years. The next is Maha has 54 stamps. She collects 15 more. How many stamps does she have altogether? Let's find out. She has 54 stamps and then collect 15 more. Now add to find how many she has altogether. 4 plus 5 equals to 9 and 5 plus 1 equals to 6. The answer is 69. That means Maha has 69 stamps altogether. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 65 and 67 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.